evening to all panelists and the participants. Coming to the question, what Mr. Gupta is asking, it's a Herculean task to bring that kind of capital what is required to put up these projects in next 2 to 3 years. And as per industry estimate, it is almost bringing in $80 billion of equity per se. So the trends are changing. So majority of the equity funding during first 10 years was predominantly from private equity players when the sizes of the projects were smaller. But now, given that project sizes are becoming larger and larger to achieve the targets of MNRE, there is a lot of interest now from big pension funds like CDPQ, CPI, PBB, OMER, DFIs, multilats, who have mandate now to promote clean energy globally. And they are now looking for stable annuity returns from RE projects, and RE projects give them that surety, as the PPAs are long term, they are for all 25 years in majority of the cases. So now, given the industry equity requirement is north of $80 billion, so majority of the funding would be from longer term sources of funds like pension funds and DFIs. Bigger IPPs, which are more than 5 gigawatt in scale, would be looking for capital raise through IPOs locally or international listing, because they perceive that valuation in international market is higher given against the domestic market. And further, a lot of earlier capital which was invested would be churned through InvITs and strategic sales, and that will be flowed back into again to put up the new plants. So, and coming to the debt part of it, given the size of the debt funding which is required, other than the domestic lending from banks, from financial institutions like PFC, REC, IREDA, and IDFs, we would be requiring a lot of foreign capital from multilats, from ECB lenders, through green bonds. So, these would be the sources of the majority of the financing from the lending side.
So, Sharma, my point is that whether international funding can be, because you are expert in the international funds, whether we can have international funding. Or another issue is whether the bond market can be flourished under the sector. Because for a banker, I feel that power sector is somewhat difficult for the banker, because long-term financing mismatch of liability assets is there. So what do you feel that international funding can be arranged, or a bond market can be flourished?
Yeah, so Mr. Gupta, at this point of time also, there is a lot of funding being done through the ECB lenders, particularly large international banks, as well as multilaterals like IFC, DFC, KFW. All these guys are lending in the Indian market. They are providing largest source of funds. And on the bonds, lot of the bigger players are able to raise bonds like Azure, Renew. All of these guys have raised bonds. So I don't think there is dearth of capital. It is only the kind of the initial risk which we have to factor in, which the lender asks for in terms of land acquisition, infrastructure availability, in terms of adoption of PPAs by the local SERCs. All those things are more important. Funding will come, in my view.
So, Sir Sharma, what you're feeling is 1.75 lakhs crore rupees can be arranged by 22. And what is the target fixed by the government of India to have this? It can be achieved. What your feeling is?
Yeah, so by 22 means all these tenders, if they are bidded out and the PPAs are signed, obviously the kind of funding would come. And the other impediments to this is we have to resolve those in terms of the reliability of the PPAs, and like Andhra kind of situation typically is creating problem for the international lender.
Thank you, sir. Sir, one and the last question I should ask you: what is percentage of growth? I'm not asking you anything else. what is the percentage of growth your company feel that under the renewable energy by 22 you can achieve the target percentage wise? I am not asking exact position. What percentage wise you feel that you will be going to achieve it? You
So
can
you
give
are
this
asking
question.
for
I think you must have some business planning with you also.
no. So you are asking for our company's growth plan, or
Yes, yes, your company growth.
okay? So we have around 1 gigawatt in portfolio at this point of time, and we are planning to bid another 1 to 1.5 gigawatt in FY21. So, and our plan is to become a 4 to 5 gigawatt company in next 5 years time frame. These are the business plan for us.
Your company facing any type of financial difficulty
No,
to
no, no,
raise the funds?
no, no. So we are funded by very prominent investors like Temasek and Equity.
Okay,
They have committed $500 million to this platform.
okay.
So we are quite, I would say, great in terms of liquidity as compared to the other group, other peers.